Take a moment to check out the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this Mercedes GLC 300, the sensuously styled SUV that's tailored to fit your lifestyle and designed to exceed your expectations for excellence. Versatility and assertive performance blend with fine materials and the latest tech to create a truly delightful driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors. Take confidence along on every drive. Get into the GLC 300 SUV. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.